So, good morning, sir. This is my prelim in EMC GD2. So, let's start. First, Chapter 1, the game engine and the component-based design. First is game engine. Game engines are software frameworks designed to facilitate the development and creation of video games. They provide developers with a set of tools and features to build and render game environments, including graphics, physics, sound, scripting, and more. Here are some of the most popular game engines: Unity, Unreal Engine, Godot, CryEngine, Game Maker Studio, RPG Maker, and more. Next is component-based design. Component-based design is a software engineering approach that involves constructing software systems by integrating pre-existing reusable components. This methodology is widely used in modern software development due to its numerous benefits such as increases efficiency, scalability, and maintainability. Next is Chapter 2, Framework and Essential Libraries. First is framework selection. Selecting a right framework is crucial for the success of any software development project. The choice of a framework can significantly impact the development speed, performance, scalability, and maintainability of your application. And here's a detailed guide on how to select the appropriate frameworks for your project. Meron tayong project requirements, language compatibility, community and support, and performance. Next is essential libraries. When working with component-based design, using the right libraries can greatly enhance your productivity, maintainability, and scalability of your project. And here's a guide to essential libraries across different categories in software development. Meron tayong ditong React libraries, Angular libraries, and Vue.js libraries. First is React libraries. Meron tayong React Router, Redux, and Style components. React Router purpose client-side routing. Description nito is enable to navigation among view of various components in React application chance to browser URL and keeps the UI in with the URL. Next is Redux state management. Manage the application state in a predictable way, making it easier to debug and test. And the last one is style component. CSS in JS styling allow you to write a plain CSS in your JavaScript, giving you the full power of CSS styling your components. Next is Angular libraries. Meron tayong RxJS, NGRX, and Angular materials. First is RxJS purpose reactive programming. Provide powerful operators for handling asynchronous event and data streams. Next is NGRX, purpose state management. Implement the Redux pattern in Angular, providing a consistent way to manage state across the application. Next is Angular Material UI component. Offers a set of reusable, well-tested, and accessible UI components based on material design. And the last one is Vue.js libraries. Meron tayong Vue Router and Vuetify. First is Vue Router, client-side routing, official router for Vue.js, enable to navigation and dynamic component loading. Last is Bootify. Purpose, UI components, material design component, framework for JS. For the last topic and chapter, vector and matrices, coordinate system and 3D math operation. First is vectors and matrices. Vectors and matrices are fundamental concepts in mathematics and computer science, particularly in fields of such as linear algebra, data science, computer graphics, and machine learning. Vectors. A vector is a one-dimensional array of numbers. It can represent quantities with both magnitude and direction. Matrices. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. Matrices can be used to represent a linear transformation, solve system, and linear equations. Next is coordinate system. Coordinate system are frameworks for defining and locating points in space. They provide a way to describe the position of objects in negative space. And here are some common types. Cartesian coordinate system, polar coordinate system, cylindrical coordinate system, and more. And the last one is a 3D math operation. In a 3D space, several mathematical operations are commonly performed on vectors and matrices. That's all my report, sir, in prelim. Thank you po, and God bless.